SCIRun is a modular-based software and what we call a problem-solving environment. It's more of a computational workbench because it contains modules that do a variety of tasks, including data visualization, data and geometry processing, and also simulation. And these modules, these pieces of code within SCIRun can be combined in a variety of ways to do lots of different things. And that makes it a really important part of our image-based modeling pipeline. SCIRun is designed to make these really easy for researchers who may not necessarily have a computational background or a lot of coding experience. We try to bring an approach to SCIRun of easy and quality visualization. They're just a couple additional modules, and so you can add them at a variety of stages in your pipeline. So you can use them to debug or to create a really nice final image to show off your research in a really fantastic way. These data and geometric processing tools are one of the key features that makes SCIRun so versatile and so useful. We have all sorts of mapping and data manipulation modules. We can use these in a vast array of ways in order to almost do whatever you would like with your three-dimensional data. The simulation tools available in SCIRun are focused on calculating bioelectric fields from sources in the brain or in the heart throughout the body. So the Brain Stimulator Toolkit is designed to simulate stimulation of the brain because research can use these to generate new ideas on how to treat a variety of brain disorders such as depression or Parkinson's. The ECG Forward Inverse Toolkit contains tools that help researchers and clinicians to explore in non-invasive ways the electrical activity of the heart and how those affect the surrounding bioelectric fields on the torso. We think SCIRun can make your research easier. You should try out SCIRun today to see how it can help you in your research with your 3D data.